Yes, OBS. Cool. Yo, just Cam, what's up? What's up, bro? Yo, I haven't asked recently, how's the delay been on the stream? Is the delay okay on YouTube? No one said anything about it in a while, so. I've been assuming that it's okay. Bro, what was this spike? Dude, why did this go up 1,000 points all of a sudden? That's insane. See that crazy push? Yeah, what was that? I mean, I didn't see it happen in real time, but does anyone know? Was there news? I don't think this was even a news candle. 4 a.m. Well, I guess it's 7 a.m. Eastern, but yeah, that's crazy. 900, 800, 900 points. Bro, that's actually absolutely insane. And I kind of want to short this. Like, points. We're like starting to get into value here. I wonder if it's gonna hold this base. I honestly feel like it's not. I might actually sell these guys. Hello? Where's my order? Hold on. It's bugging out on me. Market open. I should put this at 500-ish risk. We'll give it a little space. All right, it's actually going down a bit. I'm gonna set this break even. And target, I actually want to target this a little lower. Honestly, on one of these bases. Damn, we're up a lot. I'm gonna secure the base on this. We already have the base hit. Let's see how long we can write this down.
Order filled.
Okay. Stopped out. And we're got our base hit already. That's insane. Let's go. I'm so short on this, to be honest. I might look to get back in. I think that was the easiest $600 I've made. What the heck? Oh wait, I'm not streaming on Discord. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that, V. Yeah, I was not streaming on Discord. I'm still pretty short on this. I'm looking here to get back in.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna put around 380 risk on this. Honestly, ideally, I should probably be in micros and have a wider stop than this, but we'll see if we can catch this. Let's see if the market's heavy enough. It's not looking heavy enough. I'm gonna set this break even. I don't even care if this stops me out. I don't want to lose the base hit on this. So if this wants to run down, alright, I got stopped out. If this wants to run down, I want it to run down. But either way, like I'm still pretty bearish on this price action. I'm just not willing to risk my base hit. Oh, nice. It's running down now. I wanted to break this macro range low. If we can break that, I might reconsider this, but I kind of want to go in on micros. This is like way too volatile. Like these moves they look pretty minor, but like this is like 100 points. Almost. Let's see. Oh. Right. This is like 100 points. So like going in like one mini here is just like I'm risking way too much. Like I would still be short on this. I am not long on this at all. Yeah, did we just switch over to an eval or something? Let me see. Maybe I'll start up another top step eval. Or lucid. There she goes. Yeah, this is a funded. $500 is the base hit that I need. So I kind of already hit it. If I hit it tomorrow, I get a payout out of this account. So I'm trying not to risk, honestly, risk too much on this. It's crazy. That's like a 80-point move right there. The market's super, super volatile right now, so I'd definitely be careful. I wouldn't be trading minis. Unless you're on evals or something. If you're on evals, maybe. Minis could be fine. Yeah, I'm thinking about starting up like either another combine or something, work on the eval today. I didn't think I'd hit the base hit that quickly today. Yeah, I might start up a combine. They have like that. Promo going on at Top Step. Ooh, right off value. That could be the entry short, to be honest. Well, let me get over to my combine. I'm probably gonna lock out this funded account. Just lock the base hit in. So this account's like pretty much ready for a payout tomorrow. If I get another base hit tomorrow. And especially after this like 1,000-point push up, I don't really want to be trading my funded accounts. So we'll work on a combine today. Let me know if you guys can see that. My account was at 50,600. Just made 1420 on that pump up. Did I make too much? Is this your first day trading? Trader Ray, is that your first day trading the account? It depends for your consistency. Oh, is there even a consistency on the account? Like, what account are you trading? Alrighty, I am not bullish on this yet. ES is still bearish. Right off the base, getting a little bearishness. Let me watch this on a lower time frame actually. I want to see if I can get an entry in short here. I'd only be convinced on this long if we start popping above value, but we're just bouncing off value again, so I'm gonna be watching this. You're with Take Profit Trader. Are you on an eval or unfunded? And is your mentorship open? Yeah, mentorship is still open. Oh, that could be it. Oh shit, I'm on minis. Oh, get me in. Alright, I'm just gonna get in here. We're on an eval, so I'm gonna put 1,000 risk on. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Ugh, I am not liking that. Okay, I stopped out. Unfortunate. Dude, that's so sad. I tried to get in a little higher. I just started dumping. Okay. Honestly, there's a lot of buyers coming in. There's a big level at like, what is that? Like 660? 660? It's quite a bit up. We're starting to break out of value. I'm actually enjoying this move up. Let's put like 1,000 on. $660 is a pretty big level. One minute is starting to close outside of value here. 5 minutes putting in a pretty good wick. I honestly don't know if we reach 660, if I'm gonna be completely honest. We're like right at this bearish base too. I entered on a bearish base. Shoot, I did not see that. Let's see if we can claim it. If we claim this base pretty much right at the entry. Okay. So that's the one. This is the base that I actually would have wanted to short on. Right here. It's a little unfortunate. I went long on it. Let's see if we can claim it. If we come up and claim it, this will be pretty bullish. And we could actually probably hit 660 off it. Move my stop up a bit. I'm on a fresh 100k eval. So this has like 3k of drawdown. Yeah, I switched to eval. I'm about to brick this eval. Oh lord. Alright, I'm gonna wait for the next 5 minutes at least. Man. Dude, I didn't see. That's what I get for not marking out my levels. Yo, this is scary price action. I'm not risking. Smart man. Bro just got off. That's why he's profitable, man. He's like a He's actually one of my buddies who got me into futures trading. He just said this price action is scary and got off. That's why he takes so many payouts. This price action is very, very scary. Not gonna lie. So we're right on that base again. Someone asked about this. Can you teach us how you mark the bases? I'm having a hard time grasping how you do it. The bases are, well, a base is pretty much any support and resistance level, but the one that I like to mark is the last one before a sweeping move. So for example, this was like the last low before like this last push up, right? That's the base I like to have marked out. I'll mark out lower ones. For example, this is like an internal one, right? This last move up. That'd be like another base that I would want marked out. Every time I join stream, I see negative P&L, but when I watch shorts, it's always winning. Well, I post my losses there too, but we went green on our funded accounts. I just switched over to my eval. Like we're already green on our funded, so I'm trading some evals right now. It's crazy. I've been trading one mini, but like these stop losses are like $1,000 risk right now. So it's definitely best to trade micros right now, but I am trading a eval. I'm just trying to pass this, so. Getting a lot of rejection off this base. Which base is this? Oh, it's not even from this. Oh shoot! Sorry, I forgot to switch the top step on my Discord stream. There we go. Alrighty, come to test this base. If we start to claim this base, I might start looking long here. It's really not looking too bad. Alright, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna put really low risk on this one. Risking about 200. Super tight stop. I just want this to pop here. Alright, yeah. Alright, stopped out. If this was gonna go up, I wanted that to pop like right there. I was watching ES, and ES is trying to make a new high. So if it wanted to go, I was trying to catch a momentum push. At least up to this base here. See what this looks like on the one. Yeah, it looks like a little retrace on the one. I wonder if this is just, it's gonna fizzle and then pop one way or another. We have our orb 6:30, 9:30. Alright, let's just chill for the orb to get set. We'll try to play the orb. I think the orb might actually be fairly confluent today. That's what I am on. You're on an eval that I made 1420. Not sure if I broke a rule or have to lose money. It depends on your consistency, right? If you made 1420 in one day, then you're chilling. But if you made 600 plus 1420 in one day, you probably have to lose a little bit and get down to like 1500 total. Alright, I'm gonna try this long again. There was a big level at 660. That level is still there. Nice, that's a good 1 minute break. I might look to add into this. We hold that base? Or do we test a little deeper? Just hold that base. I'm in 2 cons. Put 1,000 risk on. Let's see if we can hit 660. Oh yeah, more orders coming up at 660. That's actually like 657. So let's try to front run a little bit. 655. Let's see if we can take some off at 655. Come on, buyers. Really gonna give it up like that? No, I'm about to blow this eval. Come on. Damn it. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Unfortunate. Blew the eval. 3 trades for 1,000, risk 3 Ls. Yeah, it's just really choppy, guys. And it's really volatile because even that push down, that was like 50, 60 points. This push up so far has been like 200 points. Right? Like we realistically gotta look at the chart kind of like this. Like really stretched out because That's just how price action is right now. It's like really, really volatile. Man, I almost like don't even want to trade today. And we already got the base hit on our funded accounts. And we got that kind of luckily too, man. $15 is cleaner. Let's check out the 15. Yeah, I mean, yeah, honestly, I have no idea. Right now, I just see this going, right? One way or another. We just put in a new, like, higher low, so I was trying to play the breakout, right? So this is what I was trying to play. So I was kind of hoping that that would come up and then come down. But it's like already setting it's already going down even before it clears the high. So now I'm kind of thinking it's just gonna chop. Yeah, I think it really doesn't matter. Even if I trade funded or evals rest of the day today, I'm gonna get chopped up. Probably better to chill out, but I'm probably just gonna be on watching the market. Yeah, I'd be careful here today, guys. Like, this is not healthy, not healthy price action at all. Let me go back to hyperticks here. If anything, we'll check a trade on this account if anything. Be careful when funded, yeah. Yeah, like right now, if anything, I'd want to be trading the breakout, wanting to trade the breakout long. But the retraces are pretty deep, so I don't know. And really the only reason is because NQ is breaking out of value, but ES hasn't broken out of value yet. I don't know, who knows? This could be going down too. My initial bias on the day was bearish. That's why we took the short this morning. We caught a bit of the short on this account, but it pushed up like 200 points right after, so. It's better to be careful today, guys. It's not worth blowing your accounts today. especially your funded. Yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys. We'll do a giveaway. We'll just go for the giveaway today. Let's see. However much affiliate pay we racked up over the weekend, we will give it all away in giveaways today. Screw it. Let's just give away all of it. What are we at? Let me see. We are at 370. Okay. Guys, we can give away 3 accounts today. If we make it to 150 likes, we'll give away 3 accounts. If we make it to 100 likes, we'll give away 1 account. Who's the flex? Oh shit, I forgot to change it back. Give me a second. Application. There we go. There's still a big level sitting at like 660. Another big level at 800. A lot of big levels above. I'm still wanting to see this grind up. It looks like it's starting to pop here. Dang, bro, it's hard to trust it, man. Oh, we do have our orb set. Let's mark out our orb today. So 6, 43, 45. This is pretty much our orb. All right, well, looks like we're testing our 15-minute orb. Yeah, dude, just unable to set a new high. This is choppy. We're back in our opening range. This could be going down to the bottom of the range, right? Unless it could be worth trying to scalp this. Elvo Finch, you didn't answer my question, right? Let me see. Sorry, I didn't see your question. Can you teach us how to mark the bases? Oh, the base question. Yeah, on honestly any time frame. It works on any time frame. Obviously, like the higher the time frame, the more confluent the base is going to be. Yeah, you can do it on lower time frames too. But like a bearish base on a lower time frame is not going to hold up if a higher time frame is bullish, right? So, you know, you gotta, I guess, keep track of that. What the overall trend is. But like a lower time frame bearish base could be very confluent if like the entire higher time frame trend is bearish. Crazy market, yeah. This PA is scary. Yeah, one of my buddies, he already got off. And honestly, if I wasn't streaming, I'd be off for the day too. I wouldn't be trading this. Would have saved myself $150. Not blowing that eval in like 5 minutes. Yeah, it's honestly it stays like being a trader, like it stays like these. You have to identify what type of market condition you're in, right? There's only 3 types of markets. You have an uptrending market, a downtrending market, and a sideways market. Like this market's sideways. Like if your edge isn't made to trade ranges, like you should probably not be trading today. You know, my edge does not trade well in ranges, so I really shouldn't be trading today, but we'll see. Maybe if we start to break out, that's the trade I'll take. Yeah, we haven't done a stream giveaway in a while, so I'm looking to kind of just stick around, see if we can hit 100 likes, and then give away an account to you guys. We're right at POC. Drop the line. That's POC, right? Should make it kind of like POC red. So we're kind of holding POC. I don't think this is value high of the range. Let me mark it out on my trading view. I'm gonna see where the value is right now. Oh yeah, we bounced right off of value high of this range. So let me actually mark that out. I think that might be a little better. So VWAP. So this it follow profile. Perfect. There we go. Custom volume. Does this have value area? It does. Show line. No, show developing. There you go. Indicators. See this kind of this squiggly blue line? That's the value for the current range. And we've just been bouncing off the value of the current range. I think once we could start to break out of that, we could possibly look for a long or a short if we go down. But it's definitely tripping you out, right? Like over here, it looked like it was breaking out. And it just drops like 200 points on you, so. Definitely worth being a little careful here. How do I just make this zero opacity? Why isn't this working? It does kind of look like we're breaking out of the orb to the upside, right? We're kind of holding the orb high. We're holding above range POC. You just got to be able to take value here. I think if we take value here, you could see this pop up. I really don't like how this can't be transparent. Another rejection off value. I don't trade this way, but there's probably an edge just like shorting it off value and shorting and going long off value low. That's all it's been doing today, right? Bounce off value low here. Okay, bounce off value low here. Bounce off value high here. Bounce off. This is a kind of a messy bounce, but bounce off here, bounce here, bounce here. This is looking like another messy bounce, but honestly, probably just playing the bounces could be pretty edgeful here as well. But for me personally, I'm more of a breakout trader, so I want to go long on this once it starts breaking out. But it's days like this where it doesn't break out and I just get chopped up. So like for me, like I would want this to why isn't this working? I would want this to break out of value so I could take a trade that looks something like this, right? That is what is ideal to me. Could be getting it here. We have 14 minutes till our IB is set. Either playing the orb or the IB today could be honestly probably the best idea. If you form an IB, come back down to it, start breaking structure to the upside off the IB. what would be the best trade. What's IB? IB is your initial balance. It's the range of the first hourly candle, or first hour, not hourly candle, first hour of New York session. So from 6:30 to, sorry, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful today, guys. I really don't want you guys getting chopped up too bad. Like even this push up here on NQ, like just this single candle here, right? My data delayed. The single candle right here on the minute chart was 100 points. Like this is 100 points up already from the bottom of, from the breakout of our orb. So like ideally I would want to trade the breakout here, but I can't set my stop like below this candle. It's 100 points. You know, I that's not how much I want to be risking on this trade. So wait for this candle to close, structure to break, and then maybe we can eat a trade that looks like something like that, right? Maybe we could look at this. Maybe we can look at this, or if IB forms higher, maybe we can look at something like that. It's really gonna depend on what we get. Yeah, but the 15-minute orb is seeming pretty confluential. Like I was pretty interested in the 15-minute orb today, just because we've been in, like, NQ's been consolidating early session, so I do think the breakout of the 15-minute orb would have been okay today. Would have been up 100 points, but I'm being a little cautious of the next trade I take because I don't really want to ruin the base hit on this account. That price action is sus. Yeah, price action is definitely sus right now. Like NQ is breaking out, but ES is about to hit the top of its value high, so this could easily come straight back down. Right, that's why I don't want to really be trading the breakout here. If ES was breaking out too, I'd be a little bit more inclined to be looking for a long here, but I'd rather be looking for pullbacks, getting into that long. Alrighty, how many likes are we at? Ooh, we're at 30 likes. Like up the stream, boys, and we'll give away some Lucid accounts. Or if you guys want to try out hyperticks, we can do hyperticks accounts too. Up to you guys. from like last week and over the weekend, we have around like 300, a little bit over $300 in affiliate pay. So we can do like 3 accounts. It's like $300. Can you use Hypertick on Tradeovate? No, they only have DX feed right now. Yeah, they only have DX feed right now, but I think they are trying to pick up some other trading platforms as well. So, but honestly, I really like DX feed. Like this has been, like this is so much easier to trade on DX feed. The charting is more difficult, but the trade managers is so much better. Like not even close. This is already up like 200 points. It's absolutely insane. That's like 150 points. Yeah, congrats if you're in this long. For me, this is not worth taking. Please give me the count. Yeah, dude. I mean, if you bought a ton of accounts, the likelihood that you win the next giveaway is pretty high. Whoever won the Discord giveaway last time had also bought like 30, 40 accounts using my code. So that was over the course of like a few weeks, and he won the giveaway. So, yeah. What a breakout. Let's see. 6 minutes left on IB. Let's wait for the IB to form, and then yeah, we'll play the IB today. Probably one more trade today, and then give away some accounts, and then we'll call it good for the day, guys. So is that 660 liquidated? Yeah. They're getting squeezed right now. Everyone's getting squeezed out. Another big level at 700. And then 800 is another big level. And then 5,000 is like the next level. There's like nothing in between that. So ES is at value high. Kind of bouncing off value high right now. Did I manage to get a payout on my Hypertick instant? Not yet. I need one more profitable day after today. So we got our base hit today. We're up 620 on the account. I just need to get a base hit tomorrow, and I can take my payout. Take 3K out of this account. Yeah, we took 2 red days. Like we had a 7-day green streak, and then we ended it with 2 red days at the end of the week, last week. Unfortunately, if those 2 days were green as well, I would have already taken a payout out of the account, but unfortunately, had some red days, but that's just how it is, right? You gotta be able to take red days, and keep your account alive. So. But yeah, I'll document the whole payout process for Hypertix. They are a newer firm, right? So, you know, I do think a lot of people are a little bit more wary of starting with them. You know, like, hey, like, do they even pay out, whatnot? But I have a lot of faith in Hypertix. I do think they're definitely one of the more up and coming, like, newer firms, right? So, but we'll see. I'll send in my payout requests tomorrow, hopefully, if we get another green day. Yeah, look at that. That's why I want to be trading the breakout today. It's already like 60 points down, almost 100 points down already. It's actually crazy, man. It's too volatile for me to trade. I like low volatility, just trending markets, so. Man, did anyone catch this long overnight? That's actually just absolutely insane, man. 1,000 points up. You caught it, Chongo? Let's go, dude. No way. Let me see. Let me see it, bro. Wait, let me see this. That's crazy. Let's go. Past your lucid pros, that's what I'm talking about. Good stuff, man. Dude, that's absolutely insane. Good stuff, dude. Complete luck, just bought one micro and then went to bed. Wait, that's crazy. Crude shorts? What is crude at right now? Let's actually take a look at crude. Holy, I see. Oh, okay. Wow. Dude. What is this market right now, dude? What is this? This is not normal. This is not normal at all. Bro, like, this is like crypto. Like, what's going on? This is crazy. Why are like the safe, I wouldn't call it safe, but like, yeah, I don't know. It's wild. Okay, well, our IB is set. Let me mark out the IB. So this is orb. This is our IB. I'm gonna mark this out blue. Blue will be our IB. Hello? What just happened? That was strange. That was very strange. Okay. So we got our initial balance set. We'll pretty much wait and trade the breakout of our initial balance now. So ideal price action for me right now, since we are sending an uptrend here, right? This is like kind of the move that I wanted to catch, kind of breaking out of value, but it's a move I got stopped out of. But what I want to see is price come up, create that new high. I want to see us come back down and test IB. Is there a hotkey for this? Right. I want to see us then break structure, retest, and then retest like the base, right? And then I want to see us come up. And we would take the trade that looks something like this, right? Up to one of these levels. We have a lot of levels marked out up here, so kind of what I like to do is honestly mark out something reasonable within like target, you know, like 100, 200 points. Try to go for it, and if price looks really strong going into any of these levels, I won't take TP, but price looks pretty weak going into those levels, I'll take TP on the levels. If it looks really, really strong, I'll wait for it to close above those levels and I'll add into my position. But we gotta see. Let's see if we get our setup. So now, like, we have a new key level, right? Our key level is our IB high. So now we want to be waiting for market structure breaking off of testing our IB high. On VWAP, so this is actually not the value area high for VWAP. It's for the volume range. The value area high for VWAP is this white line here, this dotted white line. You guys see that? So right here is our value area high. It doesn't really calculate. DXV calculates it pretty well, but Top Step doesn't even have value area high. But I watch it on my trading view chart for value area high. But yeah, I mean you can chalk up like the current range, right, that we're in. We are breaking out of the value area high for our current range, which is right here. So if you want to take a little riskier entry, right? You could take the long off the value area high of the range. You know, a little riskier, but you get more out of it. So if you want to take that trade, like I think you have a perfectly valid edge for trying it. I think for me, I'm just gonna wait for our IB trade. I'm short 5 from 554. Still don't know how to manage with 3 micro. I mean, managing your trade there's only really a few things you can do, right? You can move your stops, TPs. You can add or remove contracts, and that's really it. Only thing that I would do to manage your trade is either reduce risk or push winners. Like I think those are like the only two things you should really be doing when you're managing your trade. Like if you get stopped out because you managed your risk, like it's fine. Like you moved your stop up to break even, you get stopped out and the trade runs on you, it's fine, right? You manage your risk. Other thing is trade looks really good, you add it to your position. You know, while you're adding to your position, you should always be reducing your risk. So you reduce your risk, add to your position, and the trade goes well. You just, you know, you made a lot more money. And if you added, reduced risk, and the trade doesn't work out in your favor, you lost like the same amount pretty much that you would have lost anyways. I think my least favorite thing is coming into New York after price has already expanded. It's literally the worst, man. Price action is just so bad. Alrighty. How close are we to that giveaway? We're still at 30 likes. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We'll do a giveaway for a Lucid account. Hey, what's up, man? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but is that Anikit? Anikit. Good morning. I'm doing good, man. Hope you're doing good too. Had a great weekend. Excited to be back on the charts. Couldn't be better, man. Which accounts am I trading now? Right now, this is a Hypertix Instant Pro Plus. Yeah, I traded a combine and I blew it. Kind of shows you the state of the market. So yeah, we got our base hit on our Instant Pro Plus, so we're just kind of chilling. Yeah, this is like by far my favorite instant account. They have, it's end of day drawdown. and no consistency. So it's pretty easy to take payouts out of these. I guess the only gotchas on it is that the daily drawdown is a hard breach. So you just gotta make sure you don't hit the daily drawdown. On the 100K, the daily drawdown is 2,500. So it's pretty good. I think on the 50K, the daily drawdown is 1,250. So just set a risk limit at like $1,000 daily drawdown, and then your account will be fine. But yeah, it's pretty easy to get payouts out of these accounts. This is my first one, and we just need to trade like one more profitable day for a payout. So what account am I talking about? It's the Hypertix Instant Pro Plus. Yeah, it's 70% profit share. But I mean, like I said, it's not bad. Like these accounts are also pretty cheap. I think the 50K account is $220 for an instant funded, right? Like, I don't know. You're literally getting a flex account that's funded for $220. I just think it's worth it, in my opinion. Yeah. I don't see him on today. He's usually in the VIP. Jaco Wessels. He bought an account using. So Hypertix also offered to sponsor free accounts every week for anyone who uses the code JMK. And he won the giveaway last week, but I don't see him on today. So yeah, this account that I'm trading on now, the 100K was like $350, I think. And yeah, like taking the payout for 3,000 on hopefully tomorrow. The giveaway, it's on our Discord every week. Yeah, if you buy a Hypertix account using code JMK, Hypertix has agreed to sponsor giveaways every week. So yeah, down 1,500 today. Help. Yeah, man, it's not good, man. Like I say this a lot on stream. After expansion, you get chopped. Like, let's just go back. After any expansion, you get chopped. It's just because how the markets work. The markets work in a state of like, it wants to be balanced, right? So if the market wants to be balanced, after an expansive move, it's gonna want to balance to whatever point is in between that, right? That's why a lot of people like to use the fib, like 0.5 fib. It balances halfway to where the expansion came from. So you get an expansion, and then you get chop, right? You get expansion, you get chop. You get expansion, chop, expansion, chop. I mean, the chop just comes from like people taking profits, people exiting positions. And when you have less equilibrium, you get less directional movement. The less equilibrium you have, the more directional movement you get. So, and overnight, we just went up 1,000 points overnight. So you're gonna get chop on like a higher scale, right? So market's gonna be very, very choppy today. Yeah, if I wasn't streaming, I don't even know if I would have traded today, to be honest. Off of 1,000 point push up, it's way too risky. Oh, you're on a live account? Oh man. Yeah, it hits even harder, right? But that's the benefit of trading prop accounts, right? This fake P&L. Yeah, no consistency, 10 profitable days for these accounts. Nice and easy. Very, very nice and easy accounts. I never looked at it like this. Thanks for that, really. I appreciate it, man. Are you in America? Yeah, I live on the West Coast, U.S. So it's pretty early here. The sun's coming out earlier though. It's 7:50 here a.m. You're from Vegas? Oh, nice. You moved to Thailand for a bit. That's cool. Yeah. I have a buddy who's living out in Thailand right now. Just trading. Dang, this is boring. SP is garbage. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's like really no setup to take either. For me anyways, like there's literally nothing. Like we've already had our expansion. That's the move that we want to catch. So pretty much I'm trying to catch the next expansion, right? If I'm trying to catch the next expansion, you have to like wait for it to break out of this range. And ideally you want it to break out of, if we're in New York session, breaking out of the IB would be pretty ideal. So I would love to take a trade breaking out of our IB, find, ride the next expansion up to the next like big key level. Like ideally, that's what we want. And that's why I like trading breakouts, right? Because if the market moves in two ways, expansion and chop, like I don't want to be in the chop. I want to find that breakout, which is the expansion. But yeah, like I said, like we already had a pretty big macro expansion for like 1,000 points. So price is probably just gonna chop around all day today. I don't really expect us to break out. Not today at least. Yeah, honestly, like if you're red today, if you're not too deep red, it's better to just take a small red day, hop off for the day, and then just come back tomorrow. Markets will always be there, right? And I don't know, trading, like the first step you should always do is identify which market state you're in. And we're obviously, even with like, now we have like at least an hour of price action and we know we're in chop. And if you know you're in chop, like why, there's like no point trying to trade this. Yeah, like I'd be off today, guys, and I would not be trading, but I'm just sticking around to see if I can hit 100 likes on the stream to give you guys a free account. So make sure to like up the stream, guys. Let's get this giveaway done, or maybe we can just do the giveaway tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe that might be better because we could at least be trading. It is pretty early. What time is it right now? 8 o'clock? So 11 o'clock Eastern. I'll give it like another hour. We'll chill for like another hour. Answer some questions. Maybe this can break out in the next hour. We'll see. It's definitely looking bearish. If it's looking bearish, I wonder if it's gonna go up. If it's looking bearish, let's run chop. It'll dump down to 450. Yeah, it could, for sure. It's looking weak. NQ is back in value. my thoughts on the Top Step brokerage coming out. I don't know. I mean, if you want to use Top Step as your broker, I don't see it as a bad thing. Like, they have a good platform, good trading platform, right? It's better than Tradeovate for sure. But like, do you trust Top Step? Do you trust, you know, Michael Paddock? I guess that's the real question. But I personally think like Top Step, even though like they have a lot of like negative buzz around them, I still think they're still one of the better firms, right? Which is unfortunate that they're still one of the better firms after kind of all that they've been doing, but I don't know. They still have the biggest customer base. They're still paying people out. It's just unfortunate that they're like, you know, moving people to live too quickly to, you know, save money, reduce risk, but it makes sense from a business perspective. So, and I think that's why they actually also ripped out Project X out of all the firms, is because I don't think they're allowed to be sharing that if they want to open up their brokerage. Right? They're gonna be like very highly regulated, so. All negative, but I still got my biggest payouts from them with no holdups. Yeah, I mean, I still got all my payouts. They did ping me for hedging for no reason, and then fortunately I had it all streamed. I sent them everything, and then they unbanned my accounts. So that was a little sus for sure. You know, if like someone else didn't have, like, they weren't live streaming, they didn't have to record all their trades, then what were they gonna do? I don't know. I'm not fully on board with Top Step. Like, I'll still trade them, but if I had to purchase like 5 accounts, only 5, I wouldn't go with Top Step right now. This is starting to look like one giant Batman. If this comes down, get like one giant Batman out of this. Look at the 5 minute. Wow, this pushed up in less than 5 minutes? That's absolutely insane. You're done for right now, 902 payout. Oh, let's go, dude. Congrats. Take the payout. Live to trade another day. No reason to give it up. No reason to get greedy. Take what the market gives you, man. If the market gave you some profits today, you just take it. Like, I hit my base on this account, and I'm chilling, you know? You don't really want to be risking it. We're at 35 likes. Alrighty. Honestly, I might call it for the day, guys. I think it might take a little too long. Try to get to the 100 likes, and if the market state was a little better, I'd probably be beyond trying to trade, but there's just really nothing to trade here. Like, the only thing I'd really trade is the breakout of IB. That's 100% the only thing I'd trade today. So yeah, be careful trading the rest of the day, guys. I'm gonna hop off pretty early today. I will be on Discord, so if you guys have any questions, You guys can always ping me on Discord. Maybe we'll do a Discord giveaway or something. So, yeah, guys. Have a good rest of your Monday. Unfortunately, today's price action is not too great, so yeah, we'll try to fish out more opportunities tomorrow. Alright, have a great day, guys. And thanks for tuning in. Peace.